Guys, I found some of these LOL Surprise Mini Bites at Walmart and they are on clearance. This one is Series 1 and I absolutely love these because they're all cereal themed. This is my first cereal one I'm opening, so I will actually take any one of these. Let's open up the doll first to see who we get. Based off the checklist, I think we got DJ Hopsalot, which is the Trix cereal. But let's go ahead and open up the accessories to confirm that. We definitely got the Trix one, so let's go ahead and dress him. You guys, look how cute he is. I actually like Trix cereal, so I'm so glad I got this one.